A new federal law focusing on nuclear safety and liability, announced just months after work on the UAE's first nuclear reactors at Bracca was started. Under the new law, the liability for any damage caused by a nuclear incident lies solely with the operator. In this case, the Emirates Nuclear Energy Company, or ENEC. Simply put, ENEC will have to pay up to 2.5 billion dirhams in compensation in the case of a nuclear disaster, a figure 50% higher than the worldwide compensation.
It's consistent with the Vienna Convention in the area of nuclear damage, compensation in the area of nuclear damage. What it does, it defines the requirements on the operator to obtain insurance for a certain limit, which is defined in the law as 450 million SDR, or roughly 2.5 million billion dirhams. It also defines the processes in which claims can be brought. In particular, the law defines the federal court in Abu Dhabi as the sole court that's responsible for claims in nuclear accident. It sets the definitions or principles of liability as such, where the operator is the sole responsible for, exclusive responsible for any nuclear damage, regardless of the fault. So this is a framework that defines the process, defines the responsibilities, as well as the roles and responsibility.
Compensation according to international standards is set at up to 300 SDR. The UAE has set it at substantially higher at 450 SDR. Is this partly to allay the fears caused by Fukushima?
I mean, setting the limit or the ceiling limit on the liability has many factors to play on that. Some factors are related to determination of how much a reasonable number would be given today's input. Another factor would be the size of the insurance market and whether that market can supply such insurance to cover such limits, and it's based on a very thorough evaluation of all these factors. The UAE decided on this number, which is higher than the minimum limit set by the Vienna Convention.
Nuclear damage is not limited to one generation alone. Sometimes radiation can spill across generations. Is there a time frame to how long a person can access compensation?
One of the principles of Vienna is there's a time limit, but this time limit is long. So, for example, for loss of life, it's 30 years. A person can still claim their damage.
The UAE, which is a signatory of the Vienna and Paris Conventions on nuclear safety, has been pursuing a civil nuclear program and is currently developing 4 nuclear reactors at Bracca in Abu Dhabi. When complete, these reactors will supply power to the country's growing energy needs. Priyanka Dutt, Emirates 24/7.